This is a service elevator. It doesn't have a letter or anything. Somewhere at Latrobe Hospital in Latrobe, Pennsylvania. This is an old Marshall with illuminating JL plaque buttons. Car 8 visitor sticker. Certificate installed 1969. So this is a 1969 basement. I guess it just stays open once not check it out. There's like a drama going on here. Here's the basement. Go up to 2. Here you go up. Here are 2. I just noticed something funny. I'll point it out and cover up. 2 up to this side. Back down to ground. The G and 1 buds aren't in the best shape on this, but it's alright. It has fire phase 1 that was added later, but it's actually similar style panel. Elevator 8. 988 phone. It's a basic Faker Grand cab. 3 down top floor. Certificate, like I said, installed 1969. Has the silver Marshall plaque here. It's cool. 3 bigger ground. And they call this the Marshall elevator number 8, which is quite funny. And apparently it stays open, but it's not in use, so that's going to be it.